All right, guys, we're back. I had to do a quick amount of research myself. The beauty of YouTube. So anyway, obviously I'm not the only one out there doing this. I don't know what video I'll ever actually do that isn't. But the one thing that we've noticed is you can see we've got the gray here and we've got no gray here. We just got black, and you can see the color differentiation. And what that does is it matches up with the gray circle and the non-gray circle. So this one is going to match with this one, and this one will match with that one. So these actually have to be pulled out, and that's what with the when we showed the instructions, the marked and unmarked part, apparently it matches something to do with the motor. So let's see if this is easy. So you kind of press in, and there we go, I felt it. So here, just kind of press in, unlock. Find the little, you got the 3 notches just like earlier, and we put that in there, rotate it left, and it's in locked position there. All right, awesome. And we'll go ahead and take, the gray one, gray circle, take it out, match it up with the 3 notches, rotate that one in, boom, and now we're in locked position. Now we're ready to rock and roll. Hope that was a quick, short video for you guys. Feel free to watch my unboxings, watch my future flight videos, which are not out yet, but we will definitely get some out there. Hope you guys like this video. Hope it helped you. Please feel free to watch my future drone videos and footage. But not only that, feel free to comment and like to my subscribe to my channel. I do a video a day for a year showing you guys the YouTube process, and get some content out there to see if we can actually make some money on YouTube, or if it's terribly hard. So anyway, I hope you guys like that one, and I can't wait to see you guys in the next one. See you guys.